A very good morning to one and all. Children, in yesterday's class, we were doing the poem. Today, I wrote this poem written by Ken Nesbitt. And yesterday, we have a brief introduction about the poet Ken Nesbitt, and I have explained you till stanza 3. So, before starting the poem, let's have a brief recap of yesterday's class. So, yesterday, we have seen that a small boy has written a poem, but his poem he is not sure whether his poem is good, because he said that he doesn't have the things. What his teacher says that a poem should have metaphor, simile, narrative, alliterations, acrostic, diamante, haiku. These are the things a poem should contain. But he said that you will not find this thing in my poem, and I want to share the feelings what I have deep inside of me, but you will not find the feelings in my poem. Though I have written the poem, but you will not find any feelings in my poem. So this was the brief recap of yesterday's class. So let's continue with the fourth stanza from the poem. Have a look. There's nothing that's personified. It doesn't have a plot. I am pretty sure that rhyming is the only thing it's got. So here, personified means given human qualities. So here the small boy is saying, there's nothing that personified. You will not find any human qualities in my poem. You will not find any plot. My poem doesn't have any plot. And I am also pretty sure that rhyming is the only thing that you will find in my poem. Though I have written the poem, you will not find anything. I want to share my feelings from deep inside of my heart. You will not find that too. And you will find only one thing. And I am pretty sure you will find only one thing. And the thing is that rhyming of the word. Okay. So, fifth stanza. It sure was fun to write it, and I think it's long enough. It's just too bad it's missing all that great poetic stuff. So the small boy said, I have written the poem, and I'm sure when I was writing the poem, I was having a fun. I was feeling very much happy. And I think it's very long. Though the poem is very long, but I have a fun. You will not find the thing that should be in the poem, where the great poet, they used to write with metaphor, simile, narrative, alliteration, acrostic, diamante or haiku or personified. You will not find these things and all. And all the great stuff, all the great poet used to write, you will not find anything. But one thing is that while I am writing the poem, I was having a fun. Last stanza. I put it on my teacher's desk, and wow, she made a fuss. She handed back my poem with an A+++. So the boy was surprised. He said, though I have written the poem, though there is no metaphor, smiley, narrative, alliteration, acrostic, diamante, haiku and personified, where the great poet they used to write with this word, though I have not written with this word, when I submit in my teacher's desk, my teacher said, wow. She said, wow, she made a fuss. And she handed back my poem, and you know, I have got A++++. And it was a surprise for me, because I never thought that my teacher will like my poem. Without having metaphor, without having smiley, without having narrative, without having alliteration, without having acrostic, without having diamante or haiku or personified. So I hope children, you are clear. It was a very beautiful poem. Okay, written by Ken Nesbitt. So today we have completed the poem. Please go through the poem and read the poem, and do your assignment and submit it on time. Thank you. If you have any doubt regarding the explanation of the poem, you can get back to me. Thank you and have a nice day.